bayan mata allura ta kamu da rashin lafiya, hakan kuma ya sanadiyar wato mutuwarta. Wannan ce yasa mai girma kwamishinan 'yan sanda na jihar Kano CP Muhammad Usaini Gumel ya ba da umarni domin a gudanar da binciken kwakwaf akan wannan lamari, wanda kuma bincike kai mu ga kamuwa mutane guda biyu. Wannan matashin da kuke gani na farko wanda ake zargin cewa da shi aka hada baki budurwarsa ce kafin ta rasu. Wannan kuma shine wanda ya je bata allura, ya mata allura sannan kuma ya bata magani wanda ta haɗu da rashin lafiya, sannan kuma dalilin hakan aka rasa ta. To gashi dai za ku ji abin mamaki da yawa a abubuwan da muka binciko, wanda shi da kansa wannan zai muku bayani. Ba mu labari, kai me ya faru? Da ƙarfi za ka yi magana.
Bayan dai mun kai ta an yi mata alluran ne sati 3 da yi mata alluran shine ta Allah ya mata rasuwa.
Waye mata alluran?
Asina Kidera.
Na?
Kidera.
Bayan allura me bata?
Wani kwayoyi ne guda biyu su ta hadiya.
Ta hadiya. To me yasa aka yi mata allura da wannan kwayoyin?
Allah ita ce take saboda kuɗin da mata baya aka cika mata aka je aka yi mata allura.
Na menene da menene?
Kawai dai na zubar da jiki ne take a samu mata.
Ciki da ita? Waye mata?
Aka take. Ce wai ni ne.
Na?
Ce ni ne.
To waye kai ta wurin Cidera?
Ni ta zo ta samu take raka ta.
A gaban ka aka yi alluran da kuma bada maganin? Wani kalan magani ne?
Ni ban san wani kala bane, kawai dai ya bata ne ta hadiya. Ya mata allura shi kenan.
Shi wannan likita ne?
Tamin ne dai shi sun da ba dan area mu bane ba. Ni ban san.
To me sunanka?
Ugu Cidera. Ugu
Cidera. Shekarunka nawa?
27 years.
Kai a shekara jin Hausa. Daga wani jiha kake?
Lambu Bank.
From which state are you?
Okay, Suka.
How long have you been in that Lambu?
This year I come.
How long? How many years?
Never reach a year.
Here?
Never reach a year.
Okay, what is your business there?
My business there, they sell chemist.
They sell chemist?
They sell chemist. They sell chemist. They sell manguna.
Okay, you are here arrested by the police. What offense have you committed?
So I committed I do abortion.
Yes, how do you do it? Tell us what you do to the woman.
He carry come my shop. Tell me say the girl get belly.
Who carry her?
This guy there from my. Yeah.
I'm listening. What do you do?
Now he carry and come. Tell me say the girl get belly for 5 months. 5 months pregnant. 5 months. Yeah.
I'm listening.
Now I thought say why you no want marry the girl. Now they tell me say you no want marry am. Now I tell them say for what happen say you no like the girl too. Now I tell me say I know if you carry my money go buy medicine for you. He tell me say no wahala. Now later till now he come bring 2,000 for me. Tell say my go buy the medicine. Now I go buy medicine for I put the way I go put my shop. Now he call me for phone. Now he tell me say I don't buy the medicine. Now I tell him say yeah I don't buy the medicine. Now he don't got the girl on around 6-7. Now they got the girl around 6-7 come. Now tell me say I go do. So now I can't carry vitamin C with the PCM. Now I can't the girl can't take vitamin C. That vitamin C can't take PCM. Now
PCM tablet or injection?
PCM injection. Now I give him.
Which injection?
PCM.
Where? At which part of her body?
For back, for nyash.
You injected her?
Yes, sir, for nyash.
What happened to her?
Now the girl now he can call me. Tell me say the medicine I give her it no work. So I tell say me marry the girl. You know what marry the girl. Now he can cut the phone. I not hear anything. Now his brother can call me. The girl can call me. Tell me say. You get one boy where carry the girl come. They say yes. I tell how much he give me. I tell say he gave me 2,000 the first time.
In brief, how many injections have you given her?
Only one injection I give her.
Where is she now?
Chino.
Where is she? Where is the lady?
The lady don't. I don't know. It says the lady now. They said the lady don't die.
Are you a medical doctor?
No, sir.
What is the level of your education?
My level of education. If doctor write a medicine, my.
I say which schools do you have attended? The school you attended.
for Badubogo.
Have you attended primary school?
Yes, sir.
Have you attended secondary school?
Yes, sir.
After secondary school, do you attended any other school?
No, sir.
Which subjects do you study in your secondary school?
I studied English, maths, biology.
What is biology?
Biology is
Jama'a